Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to the channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on the 2014 Toyota Highlander 3.5. So right now the problem is the trunk doesn't want to open, and I checked it out. So this is the code for the trunk. Code. It's crazy that they have code for the trunk latch assembly. So that's the code for the trunk latch right there, B2250. I'm gonna try to open it with the key to show you guys that it won't open. So right now I have the key on. I'm hold it. Nothing. Double click. Nothing. And I'm gonna try it on the button right here. Nothing. I'm gonna press it again. Nothing. You hear it beeps, but it doesn't want to open. Let me try it again. It's unlocked. Hold. Nothing either. And with the button on the trunk, you can see it doesn't want to open. Doesn't want to open at all. Let me try one more time. Nothing. So every time the trunk gets jammed like that, you can't open it from the outside. You're gonna go to the back of the trunk. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pry out this cover right here, and then you're gonna look for this lock right here. Press it down, open it. To get access to the trunk latch assembly, you're gonna pry out all the cover on the trunk. They're all clips. Now you can see it's all clipped. I pry them all out, and this big cover too right here, it's all clips. You can see, and then you can take it out. There you go. And for the trunk latch, I bought this OEM from Toyota, and this is the part number. This costs around $450. The trunk latch, you're gonna press on this clip right here to pull the connector. There's 3 bolts holding up, 4 actually. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, 10 millimeter. After you take out the bolt, you can remove it. There you go. My old one, my new one. Putting in my new ones, pretty easy. There you go. And then now I'm just gonna put the bolt back, reconnect the connector. Since you guys have it open, check out the connector right here. Make sure the wire here is not broken, the pin inside here is not damaged or bent or corrosion. If it's good, put them back. After you put in the new trunk latch assembly, before you put the panel back, make sure you guys check everything. There you go. There you go, it worked. Now I'm gonna try it with the key. Work now too. I'm gonna try it again with the key. There you go. Works pretty good. Now I'm gonna try with the trunk button. That works too. Perfect. So now I'm just gonna put all the cover back and then clear the code. Let's try this again one more time. There you go. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna try the one inside the car. So I'm gonna try it inside the car. Press the button. It's working. Now I'm gonna press it again. There you go. Trunk is closing. So that's good. Now I'm just gonna put back the cover and then clear the code. I have the key on. I'm gonna clear the code. So back door module. Oh, it cleared itself. That's good. But I'm gonna clear it again just to make sure. There you go. Key off, key back on. Okay. There you go. And then this one, the back door initialization, this is the procedure where you let's say if you your battery died or you change the battery and then the trunk loses the memory of the opening position, fully open, fully closed. So this is what you would do. So this is the procedure for you to initialize the trunk. That's all the step. But since this one, the battery is good, so I don't have to do it. Show you again. So all the step, and then you're gonna do it with the switch on the car, and then the key. But that is it for this video, guys. Just a trunk latch replace. Very easy, very simple. I hope this video helps you guys solve your problem. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.